Hi, I'm Marta, digital marketing consultant and creator of The Social School, where I help small business owners optimize their websites, email newsletters, and social media platforms to work smarter for their businesses. Today, we're talking about collaboration tagging on Instagram, specifically how to use it effectively when you're launching a new business account and you want to build visibility fast. Instagram's collaboration feature lets you co author a post or reel with another account. This means the post will show up on both feeds with shared likes, comments, and reach. It's one of the fastest ways to build trust and visibility, especially if your main account already has a solid audience. Whether you're launching a new business or a side project, you want to introduce it from your original account using a collaboration post. Create a piece of content sharing the why behind the new account, who it's for, what kind of content people can expect, and invite them to follow your new account. You want to tag that new account as a collaborator so it publishes to both feeds. This instantly gives your new account exposure and credibility because your existing audience already trusts you. While it can be tempting to tag every post as a collab between your accounts, less is more. Use the collab post feature only to highlight key moments and offers, not every single post. Why? Because you want to build an organic and authentic connection to the new account while using collabs as a visibility boost, not a crutch. Beyond collaboration tags, make sure to link the new account in your bio, mention it in stories, and you might even want to pin it as a highlight so your new venture is easily accessible. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below letting me know what kind of content you'll be sharing on your new account. And if you're looking for more guidance on building a strong social media foundation, check out the Social School. I'll link it below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.